Have you ever had a file that wouldn't open or work properly? It's frustrating, but it happens. In this video, we'll show you how to fix corrupted files so you can get back to work quickly. Let's dive in. First off, what is a corrupted file? Well, it's when a file gets damaged and can't open or work like it should. Think of it like a book where some pages are torn or words are jumbled. Can't read it, right? The same goes for a corrupted file. They come from power outages, malware, software bugs, and storage problems. Now knowing the file type helps us figure out the best way to fix it. Like DOC, docx, .mp3, .mp4. So keep an eye on those file extensions. Now let's see how to recover these corrupted files depending on their file extension. For images, if you've got pictures that won't open, try these steps. For documents, if Word or Excel files won't open, don't worry, there are ways to fix them. For audio files, if MP3 South won't play, there are tools for that too. And for video, if MP4 South won't stream, we've got solutions for that as well. Let's look at each one. For documents, we'll start with doc and docx files. You can try Windows built-in tools first. Right-click the file, click Properties, then click Previous Versions. Here you can restore the file to an earlier time if you had a backup. This works for many file types. For Office files, you can also try opening them in Word. Click File, Open, select the file, click the arrow next to Open, click Open and Repair. This could fix your file. For Mac users, Time Machine can help. Just find the previous version of the file and restore it. If you're working with images, you can try opening them in Preview or the Photos app. These built-in tools might just do the trick. But wait, what if these tools can't fix the file? Don't worry. We've got software solutions for you. For documents, you can use Stellar Repair for Word, Excel or PowerPoint. These repair tools fix DOC, docx, .x, .s, .xlsx, and other file types. Kernel for Word, Excel Repair is another great option for repairing Microsoft Office documents. Both Windows and Mac users can try these tools. For images, JPEG Repair Toolkit is a great choice. Whether it's JPEG, JPG, PNG, TIFF or PSD, it fixes all kinds of image file formats. Stellar Repair for Photo is another tool that can recover photos for audio and video files. VLC Media Player is a popular choice for fixing broken files, although primarily known as a media player. It also offers repair functionality. Stellar Repair for Video is another tool that can fix MP4, MOV, AVI and other video file formats. For those looking to recover multiple file types, Recuva is worth mentioning. It's fantastic at recovering accidentally deleted files but can also fix some corrupted ones. Easiest Data Recovery Wizard is a comprehensive tool for recovering lost and corrupted data. It supports various file types and is great for recovering files from external devices. Disk Drill is a powerful recovery tool that works on both Windows and Mac. It's user-friendly and supports many file types. So remember, when you have a file that won't open, don't panic. From simple built-in methods to robust software solutions, there are plenty of ways to fix it. Now let's talk about recovering from backups. Before trying any repair method, it's wise to check your cloud or local backups. Places like Google Drive, OneDrive, iCloud, Dropbox, or external hard drives are great for this. Restoring a previous version is often the easiest and safest way to deal with corruption. Lastly, let's look at preventing file corruption. Regular backups are key here. Use reliable antivirus software to protect against malware. Never shut down your system while files are being saved, and check your storage devices for bad sectors or errors. So there you have it. That's how to recover corrupted files. Remember, the file extension is the key. Knowing it helps you find the right repair method. Whether it's documents, images, audio, video or more, we've covered some simple fixes and some software solutions. And don't forget, prevention is also important, so back up your files regularly. Use antivirus software and avoid sudden shutdowns. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.